Okay, so if you click on this video, you already know what's about to go down. I'm about to do an at-home photo shoot. And yeah, I'm gonna step with you, take you through my whole process, take you through me doing my hair and kind of makeup, and how I got this ring effect. So if you guys want to see that, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm black, so I'm gonna start with my hair first because I am going to be doing like a sleek type of style, and I want it to be like, I want it to be really smooth. So I'm gonna do that, then get dressed and let it like dry down while I get dressed. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, so this is my hair. If you want to know what this bonnet is from, I have a link in the description box below. It's cute, so might as well. I don't know why I've just been so, well, I like it though. I've just been so into being creative now. Yeah, I've been watching like TikToks or Instagrams, and it's just inspired me to want to be more creative. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want to do a photo shoot, and it's inspired by this picture. I'll have it like up here floating up somewhere. And she looks so beautiful, so flawless. So I'm like, I can do that. Let me do that too. But this is what I'm gonna start doing. Like on Wednesdays, that's gonna be the days that I'm gonna upload what I wanna upload. Sundays can be like hair content. And like, you know, it might not always be, you know, like vlogs and stuff, but it'll just be stuff I wanna record. Cause I'm gonna upload twice a week, but I'm not gonna manipulate my hair and break it off. That's disgusting. Like, do you see that? Yeah, I'm going to be just doing my hair and just taking you guys with me on the journey. If you want to get a full tutorial on this look, I will upload, but either it will be after this video or before this video, and I'll have it in the floating thing up there and in the description box if you want to see exactly how I do it and get an explanation from me. But yes, I'm about to listen to music because I just feel like listening to music, and I'll listen to this non-copyrighted music while I do my hair real quick.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. Had it, but all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back.
Alright, so the hair is finally like done, and like it's not the best braid in the world, but I feel like it's good enough for what I'm trying to do. Like, my hair is colored, it's thick. Like, I don't know if unless I stretch it, isn't much I can do for like the, you know, the disguising portion. But I feel like this is a pretty decent, this is a pretty decent braid. So okay, now I'm done with my hair. I'm letting it set while I get dressed and while I do my makeup or whatever. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wash my face, you know, do all the other stuff. And yeah, you're just gonna watch me do that. I promise y'all I'm almost ready. But you know, perfection takes time, and this braid took longer than expected. So I'm just gonna get my towel, wash my face. Like, y'all know how to wash y'all face. Like, I'm just gonna wash my face. I like to wash my face first with the towel, and then I'll like go with the facial wash. Cause like when you wash your face with like a, you know, like a cleanser, you don't really like get in your ears and stuff. And my grandma always taught me to wash behind my ears. Soap in my eye, I'm sorry. And your lips too. Like, do y'all like y'all lips? Comment below, do y'all like y'all lips? I like them because, like, I don't know, dead skin or something on them, I don't know. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Skin because it just feels luxurious. I don't know if it's just doing just anything just prominent in my skin, but it feels nice. So, and I paid money for it, so of course I'm gonna use it. And it hasn't broken me out or anything. So Rihanna, if you're seeing this, like, girl, you know you need a chocolate drop on your campaign in Mississippi. Like, you need one of us. I'm gonna take the Fenty Skin, what is this? The SPF and the moisturizer in one, basically. And I get one pump of that. I'm gonna use it with something else because it's not like, I'm used to thicker creams and I'm used to like a lot of shine on my face, and like I've grown to like that. So I use this and some good old Pond's cream. Like, do people even use Pond's cream? I don't know. Like, I like it. It's so moisturizing. It has my face all nice and shiny and like look like it's glowing. So I take like a dab and I put it like everywhere that I put the other stuff. And I just mix it together. It's the perfect, like, I was gonna say melody. It's the perfect mixture for me. So I like it. All right, my face is moisturized. I'm gonna do a cat eye because like that's like the only thing I really know how to do is like cat eyes. And I do eyeshadow a little bit, but I don't want to mess it up and like, I don't know, keep having to go back and forth with it. So I'm just using this liquid eyeliner. I got it from Dollar Tree, like literally from Dollar Tree. Only $1, works just as fine. So I'm just gonna take that, and y'all probably not be able to see me because I need to go in this mirror and do that so I can get it perfect. Not perfect, but almost perfect. And yeah, I'll be back after I get done and get it out. And like, quick tip for people like, you know, that don't know how to do their liquid eyeliner. I don't either. So I get a Q-tip and like, I just fix it with that. So putting y'all on a little bit. I'll never say I ain't put y'all on. This is the closest I'm gonna get without getting upset. So I'm just gonna go in with some CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. And I like it, so I'm gonna put that on over there too. I'm sorry, I just can't do it right here. I don't know if it made a difference, but like, I feel like it did. So yeah, that's basically all I do for like makeup. And I do my eyebrows, like I just dip it in the gel and I just, you know, I can do this on here, I guess. I just brush them up. I brush them up like this so they're all pointed and crazy, and then I go back in and just carve them out. Because my eyebrows are pretty thick anyway, so like I don't need to like fill them in or anything, and then they look like I just got them arched, right? Period. Oh, I almost forgot, girl, last icing on the cake. I really don't, well, I don't have lip gloss right now. So I use Vaseline, and like, so cute. It's little and cherry. It's so cute. It's so cute. All right. So now makeup done, hair done. Let's get into this outfit. All right. So is my arm that dark? Anyway, so I'm done like makeup, clothes. I got my little tank top thing on like she had. We're about to get into this recording session, but first I'm going to take off my scarf and reveal what is underneath. Hopefully it's flat, hopefully it did me right, and hopefully it participated with what I'm trying to do today. I mean, it looks cool. So I'm gonna flip the camera. I'm trying to see how I can do this. Like, I like it with this. I don't know. I don't know. I visualize it differently. So we'll see. I will see if we'll keep this on. This is just a shirt I got from Rue 21. And my pants are from Boohoo. You really can't see them because it's this way. So yeah, I'm just going to get started with the picture taking because I'm excited. I want to see how it's going to come out. I'm excited. So yeah. What I gotta do? Oh, I need to turn my backdrop because I like how it looks silky on the other side. It looks silky on the other side, so I'm just gonna go and flip my backdrop and I'm gonna get into this picture. I feel like Pinhead Larry. Okay, so I have my tissue paper and I hope this works. But you're supposed to do it like this. Basically, you just get the camera and then you put this on a flashlight. And it's supposed to look like, it's gonna make like a circle around you, basically. I'm just gonna see how it works in a minute. It looks when I turn my light off. Oh, baby, you cannot see me. Black as night. But you see me? Oh, this is gonna work. I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so I got it like stationed kinda how I want it. I might change tops. I don't like it as much as I thought I was, but for now I'm gonna play my playlist that I made. I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. So your girl was serious about this. I made a playlist of all of like just songs that I know just set the bar and set the mood. So yeah, I'm just gonna play this and shuffle and we're still trying to get some pics. And I'm recording because I'm going to screenshot from my phone's camera. So yeah, like this I'm going to get the pictures and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't make fun of my sexy face. Okay, thank you. I want it to be dark. Ooh. Ooh. I'm scared. Let me stop. Kayla, you're in your own room. Please get a grip. I'm not even playing my music. What? Commercial. I'm trying to. Hurt. Break. Okay, so I got a prop. I just was using the stuff I use. I think I look cute with the shot. Where did we go? Oh, run away from me. What's next? But I'm playing all the good songs first. I got a prop, so maybe it'll do something. No. Bro, I should have had a phone, like, you know, like a phone, like the old time phones. Bro, that would have been so cute. I've done a lot of face stuff. I want to try to get like body shots too, but like I don't know how much I'm gonna like it because my shirt, I don't know. Oh, I forgot to do this at first, but just spraying perfume gives it a whole different vibe. Oh, was this cute? Alright, last couple shots, y'all. I'm getting tired. And we ended it with Lizzo. I actually think I'm going to close out the video like this because I just feel so mysterious. But yeah, that is my process, I guess. I'm going to go back and look through all of this video and just screenshot pictures that I like. And if you want to see them, follow the girl on Instagram. My links will be in the description box just for you. And float up above just for you, sis. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I like this ponytail. I look cute. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.